Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial we'll look at how to retrieve data from MySQL database using PHP. In the previous video we looked at how to insert data into our PHP using PHP into the database table. Alright, so now we will look at how you can retrieve that data. You go to your C drive, you locate XAMPP, you make sure you start your Apache control. So I've started mine. You go to htdocs, you locate the file, the folder where you are doing your coding. Mine is tutorials, so I'll open the tutorial folder. I'll now open it in Visual Studio Code. So my Visual Studio Code is open in the folder for me. Alright, so I have my program here with my files. Okay, so okay, so now we will create another file name. We will name it retrieve.php. No, we would want to retrieve the file in index.php. Here we will display the file here. Okay, so we will create a section here, then we create a table, then inside the table I have a table head. Short it. Table head, I'll have name, I think it's email, and then I have password, and we have dates. Here will be ID. So okay, I have T row, then I have table body. Inside table body I have table data. So one, this is a sample. I'm just creating a dummy. I will now write the PHP code. So T will be at gmail.com, and have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 as my password. Then I have td date. Okay, let's assume this is it. So let's open our browser and see how the dummy looks like. We have it this way. So we have our ID, we have our email, password, and this is just dummy. There's something, yeah, dummy. Now we will now write the PHP code. So after writing the PHP code, our record will be displayed inside here. To be a dynamic display, it will not be static as we've written them there. Okay, so inside here I'll write my PHP code. The good thing about PHP is that you can write codes inside the HTML tags. You can you can write HTML codes inside PHP. You can write PHP codes inside HTML codes. That's the beautiful thing about PHP. So now we open our PHP tag, but in here you need to make sure that you close all the tags, else it will show you an error. So after opening the tag, you need to close the tag. Alright, so now we write our PHP query. Say $query, define query statement $query equals select. So this is our SQL code. Select star. The star means all. So select all from the table name is users. That's the code. Select all from users. Then you say $SQL is equal to MySQL underscore query. You have your connection parameter with the SQL statement, which is query. This one, SQL statement. Make sure you terminate it. So here you have your while statement. So we use while $row it's called MySQL underscore fetch. So this function will fetch all associated records for us. Then inside our while code, we will now make the display. Okay, so to display this dynamically, we will remove this closing curly statements and the closing tag. Maybe put it here. You open another PHP tag. Note this carefully. We close the PHP tag. Put our curly statement here. You can see some error. Okay guys, there is an error. So okay, we close this one and then open another PHP tag here. Then you see that this shows an error, so you bring the closing tag here. Alright, so error is being resolved. Okay, now we can now display our information dynamically. So we say open another PHP tag. In here we say echo okay, let me define the parameters here. So we now pick our email. This is just a variable name. Email is equal to $row. Pick this row. So this is what we will make use of, since it is picking. This is defined here. This is also defined here. So this is what we use to retrieve the informations from the database table. So $row, have your this thing, you see email, then we come again $password, because $row password, we have date, so $date